Hello everyone, welcome to channel Nitrix. Today we will be unboxing a device, Retroid Pocket Mini Handheld, which comes in a distinctive, wonderful orange color. It comes in a distinctive orange color with a 3.7-inch AMOLED screen size, with a resolution of 1280 by 960 pixels at 60 frames per second with a Snapdragon 865 processor, and the Adreno 650 graphics processor OS, Android 10, a very good cooling system, 4000 mAh battery size, 3D Hall sticks with 6GB LPDDR4X storage, 128GB UFS 3.1 plus TF card slot. The connection ports are OTG and HDMI, and it is easy to carry and use for a long time. In short, the device is very great for those who have small hands.